We have a medical alert now about America's most popular sleeping pill, and this one's especially for women. The FDA now says that the recommended dose for Ambein and its generic twin is too high, and they want to cut it in half. ABC's Lisa Stark has the story.
There's been case after case of so-called sleep driving on Ambein and its generic Zolpidem. People taking the medication and somehow ending up on the road. It happened to this New Jersey woman.
You hit something with your car. You can barely stand.
And more recently to Carrie Kennedy, the daughter of Robert Kennedy.
I remember getting on the highway and then I have no memory.
There are also reports of sleep eating, even sleep sex. I found out what can happen when you take the medication and get behind the wheel, testing my reaction in a simulator after 30 minutes.
Am I on the wrong side of the road?
90 minutes.
Like totally. Just fell asleep for a second.
And 4 hours after taking Ambein. It wasn't pretty.
I just almost hit the car.
So the label is clear. Make sure you get a good 7 or 8 hours sleep after taking this drug. But now studies show for some people, even after 8 hours, enough of the drug is still in their system to leave them impaired, increasing the risk of a car accident. So the FDA wants the recommended dose for women cut in half to 5 milligrams for the regular version, 6.25 milligrams for the extended release. Reducing the amount of the drug will make it less likely you will sleep drive and more likely you'll be fully awake in the morning.
Now, one women's health expert says this change is long overdue, but Sanofi, the drug company that developed Ambein, says it stands by its safety. And as for men, well, the FDA says they ought to think about cutting their dosage as well. George?
Boy, we were just talking about everybody's had this reaction to the Ambein.
I know. I always cut mine in half anyway, so that's good news to know that that's about the right dose.